Hello, we are Goldver Tech, a leading team dedicated to smart transportation management. Did you know overloading doesn't just compromise driving safety? It also leads to fuel waste and increased maintenance costs. Traditional static weighbridges often fail to provide real-time accurate load data. Goldver Tech has developed the OBWIMS smart truck weigh monitoring system, which uses high-precision sensors and intelligent modules to automatically measure vehicle weight while driving and transmit data instantly to a cloud-based platform. There's no need to alter the vehicle structure, installation is fast, and maintenance is simple. The weighing module is installed on the vehicle's leaf spring, moving as the spring deforms. Weight change data is sent to the control box, and the vehicle's data is uploaded to the cloud. Through data analysis algorithms, it intelligently syncs with the user platform. This real-time dynamic weighing can achieve 1% accuracy. It also integrates with GPS for route tracking and load monitoring. Whether it's for fleet logistics, highway supervision, or transport platform management, the OBWIM system helps improve efficiency, reduce carbon emissions, and optimize operational costs. Goldver Tech, bringing intelligent load management into the future. To learn more, feel free to get in touch with us.